Hello, everyone. I'm David Ringstrom, a CPA in Atlanta, and welcome to Expediting Excel Advanced Pivot Tables. Over the course of our time together today, I'm going to be helping you take your knowledge you currently have with pivot tables and extend it further. I'm going to assume that most of you do have experience with pivot tables by virtue of the title of the course. But in case you haven't yet worked much with the pivot tables, I will try to throw in some basics here and there where I can, but we're really focused on more higher level types of work with pivot tables today. I recently saw a statistic where Microsoft said that 80% of Excel users have never used pivot tables. So that's a lot of people that have never benefited from the ease of reporting that pivot tables offer us. So if you've not yet worked with pivot tables, they are a means of taking lists of data and then instantly transforming them into reports without having to write any formulas or really do any manipulation. The pivot table does most of the work itself. Of course, there are lots of nuances and areas where folks get tripped up, and so that's what I'll be sharing with you today, ways to use pivot tables more effectively.